Who started Golden Quadrilateral Scheme? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Where is Koledu Lake located? Andhra Pradesh. Where the Hemis National Park located? Ladakh. On which river is London situated? Thames. In Bangladesh, what is the name of Ganga River's tributary? Padma. Who has the sole right to issue banknotes of all denomination? RBI. Total number of approved stock exchanges in India. 23. How many zonal office does RBI has? 4. Where is the headquarters of NABARD? Mumbai. What is the full form of NABARD? National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. How many languages are printed in an Indian currency note? 15. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was launched in 7th 5-year plan. The Government of India earns maximum revenue from corporate tax. Which organization controls share market of India? SEBI. What is the full form of SEBI? Security and Exchange Board of India. What is the capital of North Korea? Pyongyang. Who is the Chief Justice of Kolkata High Court? T.S. Shivganam. Who is the author of the novel In Custody? Anita Desai. When was International Year of Sanitation observed? In the year 2008. International Voluntary Blood Donation is observed on November 6.